Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Kublai phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasni ka passing out parade POP jungki officer pulit kathan chati lammi ngi kantup ya ki deputy superintendent of police DYSP but ki inspector ki bla pendap ya ki jinghikai ka bakhat bai banai Kalalong Hanot Eastern Police Academy NEPA Umsaw Ribhoy District ha kasngining kong Hagane ka POP ka Director General of Police DGP ka Jila Meghalaya kong Ida Shishan Nongrang IPS kalalong ka Kongsan Chief Guest bat kala Sunran lang da ka Director ka NEPA kong Kavita Jalan IPS. Habakran ha ka parade ka DGP ka ay jingiro iki samla pulit ki balala ban pendep ya ka jinghikai ka bae bat ka badan jingya kun hakini ki khatwi banai. Kalau ong ba ka jinghikai ha NEPA kam dei tang ban ai jingtip ha garukom trekam rei kalong ru ban penkre ye ki samla pulit ban ye kendu ye ki jingye kop ban ki jingye ba pher ki bakin mat ha ka kam pulen ka kong ida shisha nong rang kala penkan mau ki officer barang shupas out ba menta kilarung shaka kam ka balong ka we na ki kam ba tam bat ka badan jingkit kli ha gari Kalau ong hadien ke jing pelut por ha NEPA kin sa sya pha syaki jela baki district bapir bat hang ta kin ha ban trei kam om tang da kabor rei du da ka jing yada ya kin nong rim ke jing yai ne ba ka jing shakri pat ba kalau ong ka jing yada hap reng ke jing hikai ba ka jing trei kam pat ba bun sin kalong ka bapir rei ka ni ka jing ya pher ka dei ka jing hikai ka ba kraw tam nama ka jing ya shem ha ka kam trei kam kalong ka jing ya hikai ka ba kham kraw ban ye ka class ka DGP kalau ongru baga kam pulit kam dei tangka kam jingale iki kam sniu rika kam ka babun benta multifaceted ka badan jingya dei bagi jinge haga jing imbriu ki jingjia bomla thmu lupa bagi jinge hagaliang ka jing mujing berkhan bat ka jing sngo kala penchluri ki samla pulit ban sumari ka jong nadi ka borman ka jing mujing berkhan ba ka jing sngo bat ban ailat iki jinge ka kam ban pinmlian iki kala ai jingya ru ya ki longying long sem jong ki officer da ka ba ong bakhlem ka jingya trailang bar ka jingya kershan jong ka longying ka kampulit kan long ka ba ban pendem ha ka bakut ka DGP kala ong bahadin life lies nem ka jing shakri pat ba da ka ba phong ya ka uniform kala ban ong tang ka ni bagi samla pulit ki dei ban long ki bala pen kre ki bala pen biang bat ki pas kem ha ki nongrim ka bala yalam ya ki ban rong shak kampulit kita kinong rim kinong ka jingyalam jongki hakis nam banwan kusnam bat jingyo nam hapdeng jong ka parade kandai ngut ki pulit officer na baro pradali ki jilla kathan chatei lammi ngi kilayo opdiang ya ka kusnam jingyele bat jingya tibet kantop ya ka NEPA silver medal DGP medal bat ki we pat ki jingyo nam medal jong ki jilla chatei lammi ngi napdeng ki medal lai ngut ki officer pulit ke Jila Meghalaya ki lay opdeng ya ki kusnam nakikti jong ka DGP kong Ida Shanongrang IPS ba George Pasi Deputy Superintendent of Police ulayo ya ka DGP Manipur running trophy but NEPA medal jong kabinta ka jingit tibet ha ka subject social science ba Raksan Momin Deputy Superintendent of Police ulayo ya ka DGP Arunachal Pradesh Trophy ha ka subject weapon ba Tengchak ki sangma Deputy Superintendent of Police ulayo ya ka DGP Mizoram Running Trophy ha ka subject physical training ba ru ya ka NEPA silver medal
दर्शक दीर्घा में बैठे सभी अतिथियों से सादर निवेदन है कि अपने सामने से गुजर रहे इन अधिकारियों का तालियां के साथ उत्साह बढ़ाएं।
NEPA, all the special dignitaries and invitees, family members of the trainees of 55th basic course of the all the training officers.
All 68 of you. When you joined NEPA 11 months ago, well, it's going to be 12 months now, I don't think you had really realized what you all would be going through. As you pass out today and you leave NEPA to your various states and districts postings, you leave with you a number of things. Not only what you have done to NEPA and what you have done while in NEPA, but also what you will be doing to uphold the name of your alma mater. As you walk out of NEPA's portals this afternoon and look forward to being back and actually going into the field and doing what the training is supposed to have prepared you for, you will be remembering a number of things that were taught in NEPA. You will also be comparing what you were taught and what is there in the field is very often very, very different. But that is exactly what training prepares you for. What you have done in the last few months in NEPA is not necessarily what you will find in the field. The field situations changes and you have joined one of the most challenging professions in the country. You will be called upon to face challenges on multiple occasions, challenges that not only will be challenges to what you would be doing professionally, but also to what your principles will be. After 33 years in service of wearing this uniform, the uniform which you have so gladly donned today, I can only say that be prepared and be ready to face the challenges. The principles you have imbibed in all these months in NEPA, the principles that brought you to this place in the first place, to NEPA and to the police service, those principles will be your guiding light in the days to come. What you will be asked and called upon to do will often go well beyond the call of duty. It's not just a saying, it is there and it is something that we will be living in with day in, day out. We have before us a number of eminent personalities who have in their own way contributed towards what you are today. As you move forward and as you go through your profession and you dedicate your service to the nation and to the state to which you will be working in, you will realize that the things that you had kind of shrugged off when you were in NEPA will actually resound. There in the police today are multifaceted. You'll be looking at things from a very different prism from what I was looking at 33 years ago. And we are dealing with, unfortunately, very often, the senior side of life. There will be situations which you would have never been prepared for. At least you would have thought that this is something that I hadn't been prepared for. But you will learn, and I am absolutely confident that with the dedication and with the training and with the devotion to duty that you have exhibited in the last 10 months, 11 months, will serve you in good stead. You walk out of the portals of NEPA today, a police officer. You have to remember that a police officer is not just an officer. A policeman, a policewoman has to do so much more. Leave aside the 24/7, the adage that you are on duty all the time. There will be times when you will have to choose between doing your duty and doing something which you don't think is actually your duty. You will be placed in situations that not only challenge you, but also make you think, is this what I had joined for? Is this the profession that is what will define me? But as you grow in the service, I am absolutely confident that you will learn and you will be those shining lights for the nation and for the state. We have before us today multiple challenges. I keep harping on the fact that we have challenges. It is not only the physical aspect of the life that you will and the profession that you have chosen, but also the mental and the emotional. As you go through your service, don't forget that you have to have some time for yourself. You cannot afford to let your work overwhelm you. And for all the families that are here today, I would only say that the support that you have given so far will only grow, and the requirements of the support that you will give your children, your husbands, your wives, and your sons and daughters will only grow. Because without the family and the support that the family gives us, we would not be able to do even half of the things that we are called upon to do. It is a beautiful sunny day today, and as you move into the next phase of your life, as you go through your probationary period, and as for a number of you, as you go back to districts which might not necessarily be where you wanted to be, remember that this is what you have been trained for. Remember that, as the poet says, lives of great men remind us